Hey everyone, Lisa here, and in today's video I'm doing a couple of DIY wall decor for my daughter's room. She's absolutely horse mad, so a lot of these room decor projects that I'll be doing are probably going to be around the horse theme, but you can easily adapt them to any sort of theme that you enjoy as well. So these two specifically are more to do with her horse. So we'll get the camera set up and we'll jump right in. Okay, so the first one we're going to be creating this is actually a very special horseshoe because it's actually her own horse's horseshoe that he had on when we first bought him. So she's kept all 4 of those, and we're going to just be putting this in a frame print with a few gemstones and his name. So super quick and easy. This is just a frame I picked up from Kmart. This is actually a Kmart frame. Now for this one, we're going to take the frame, the actual glass out of the frame, because obviously we're not going to need the glass in it because the horseshoe is going to be sticking out of it. So what we are going to do is just stick it straight to the backing of this, which will make it strong. And I pull this off as well. Now what I'm going to do is cover the backing with some burlap, and then we're going to stick the horseshoe on. Horseshoe, like I said, this is a very special horseshoe to Jessie because it's actually her horse's horseshoe, and yeah, it was the shoes that he was wearing when we brought him home. So I've got a few, what are these called? Blinged out letters. These I just purchased from eBay. I can't really remember how much they were because it was a little while ago. I think you got, say, 5 of the same letter in a packet for $1 something. So I've got the letters to spell out his name, Rolly, and we're going to put Rolly along there and then put the gem, a row of the gems on top there. And this is, I think it's called crystal mesh, and you can buy this off eBay as well. It comes in like a thick wide band and you can just cut strips off. Okay, so for this I'm using KS Bond, which is like a super strong super glue. Okay, so the last thing I did to this frame is just to give it a little bit of a dry brush with some black paint, just to make it look a little bit more rustic. So I basically just got a paintbrush, dipped it in a little bit of black paint, rubbed most of it off on a paper towel, and then just flicked the black paint around the edges just to give it that rustic look. Okay guys, so Rolly's one's finished now, and what we've also done is just snipped a bit of his tail off and just plaited it with a little leather band and attached it to the corner there with a little piece that was off the bracelet. enjoyed that video, guys, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more teen girl room decor projects coming up as I start to give my daughter's room a makeover. So subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the next video, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.